The bag filters remove various kinds of dust from polluted gas generated in industrial sites. The filter bag is one of the factors that determine the performance of the bag filter. How well it collects and removes dust is an important factor to select a filter. Although the existing round bag has a limit to increase the filtration area, the EPiT pleated bag can expand the filtration area from 2 to 3 times compared to the existing round bag by pleats on the filter surface. In addition, it is compatible without modification of the internal parts, and many effects such as improving dust collection performance, extending lifespan, and saving energy can be obtained only by replacing the filter bags. Existing round bags have a limit to increase their filtration area. Moreover, there is a problem that the dust collection efficiency is lowered due to a lot of rescattering and retrainment by the high-pressure pulsing dust removal method. In addition, there is a problem that the life is shortened because a lot of stress is applied to the filter media due to the high-pressure pulsing dust removal. The cartridge bag has an expanded filtration area, but the dust is rather trapped and compressed between pleats during pulsing for dedusting. Eventually, the filtration area is decreased and they lose their filtering function. When pulsing the EPiT pleated bag, pleats are spread out by compressed air, and dust is pushed away. It has the advantage of the dust falling into the dust cakes and reducing scattering. In addition, with less stress on the filter media, the lifetime is getting longer. The EPiT pleated bag has the filtration area by 2 to 3 times larger than the round bag. In a newly installed bag filter, it is able to decrease the height or size of the bag filter and adjusts the bag length or quality of the bag depending on the installation site. When using a round bag, the high-speed, dust-laden gas is concentrated to the other side of the inlet duct, causing bag-to-bag abrasion and/or collision, eventually damaging the bag prematurely and shortening bag lifespan. In addition, due to the high flow rate inside some parts of the baghouse, the dedusted dust is rescattered, causing the increase of differential pressure and the decrease of dust collection efficiency. When applying the EPiT pleated bag, an empty space is formed at the bottom of the baghouse by expanding the filtration area and reducing the length of the bags, in which incoming gas velocity is rapidly lowered. It prevents bag-to-bag collision and reduces scattering. Also, coarse dusts fall by their own weight and the amount of internal dust is reduced. In addition, the decelerated incoming gas can improve dust collection efficiency and extend the bag's life through even gas distribution. Just by replacing the EPiT pleated bag, it can increase the dust collection efficiency and the bag life, and lower energy consumption and maintenance cost. In the round bag, especially the cartridge bag, the pressure loss is getting bigger because the differential pressure rises relatively faster. If the ID fan capacity is not sufficient, dust suction power from the hood is reduced, and the gas flow rate is lowered in the duct, which can cause dust accumulation in the duct and blockage. The EPiT pleated bag with a relatively low differential pressure rise has relatively less pressure loss compared to normal bags, so it has good dust suction power to the hood and prevents dust accumulation in the duct. The round filter with relatively fast differential pressure rise increases the load on the ID fan and operating power cost, thereby increasing the CO2 emission. The EPiT pleated bag with a relatively low differential pressure rise can reduce the load on the ID fan and operating power cost, thereby reducing the CO2 emission. The dust collection performance of the round bag is reduced due to the limitation of area expansion and high-pressure dedusting, which increases energy consumption and the emission of fine dust. The EPiT pleated bag with expanded area and excellent dust removal performance improves dust collection performance, reducing energy consumption and fine dust removal efficiency.